Have you ever tried setting up an online course or membership site only to get frustrated with high costs and complicated setups? What if I told you there's an all-in-one solution that lets you create, manage, and sell your membership content without the usual headaches? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a software called GrooveMember. I'm going to show you the basic features of the software and explain why it might be the best choice for you. My name is Chester, and let's get started. So what exactly is GrooveMember and how can it help you? GrooveMember is a powerful membership and course platform built right into Groove, an all-in-one digital business suite. It lets you host, deliver, and sell online courses, training programs, or exclusive content, all in one place. No need for multiple tools. With GrooveMember, you can handle everything: sales pages, lead generation, email automation, payment processing, and even video hosting. It's designed to make running your online course simple and seamless from start to finish. Before we dive into how to make money with GrooveMember, let's quickly go over what makes it such a great platform. What I really like about GrooveMember is that they've made it super beginner friendly, especially with their drag and drop course builder. If you've ever tried setting up an online course or membership site before, you know how frustrating it can be. A lot of platforms require you to mess around with complicated settings, custom coding, or third-party integrations just to get things to look right. And let's be honest, not everyone has the time or patience to figure all that out. With GrooveMember, you don't need to be tech savvy at all. They've designed the platform that lets you upload your content, structure your lessons, and organize everything in just a few clicks. You literally just drag and drop your videos or any other course materials into place, and the system takes care of the rest. There's no coding, no complicated setup, and no need to hire a developer. Everything is visual so you can see exactly how your course will look as you build it. This is a huge advantage for newbies because instead of spending weeks trying to figure out how to design and set up a course, you can start creating and selling right away. Another thing that I love is that it's flexible. Whether you want to release all your content at once or schedule it over time, GrooveMember lets you do both. You can also create multiple sections or modules inside your course, making it feel more structured and professional even if you've never built a course before. And because it's part of the Groove ecosystem, it's already integrated with Groove Pages for your sales pages, Groove Sell for payment processing, and Groove Mail for automated email sequences. That means you don't have to worry about setting up a bunch of different tools just to make your course work. It's all in one place already. Another thing that I really like about GrooveMember is how flexible it is when it comes to membership levels. A lot of platforms only give you a few basic options, which can be really limiting, especially if you're trying to build a business that offers different types of content or pricing structures. But with GrooveMember, you can customize everything based on pricing, content access, or exclusivity. So let's say you want to create a free membership to attract leads. Maybe you want to offer a mini course or exclusive content for free just to get people inside your ecosystem. GrooveMember makes it super easy to set up for a free membership tier where users can sign up without paying anything. This is a great way to build trust and get people into your world before you pitch them on a paid offer. But what if you also want to sell premium content? That's where paid memberships come in. GrooveMember lets you create one-time payment memberships where users pay a flat fee to access a course or digital product. This is perfect for people who want to sell online courses, training programs, or digital workshops without dealing with ongoing subscriptions. Now, here's where it gets really exciting: recurring memberships. If you've ever wanted to build a subscription-based business, where members pay you every month for continued access to exclusive content, training, or a private community, GrooveMember lets you set that up effortlessly. This is a game changer for people who want to build predictable, recurring income instead of relying on one-time sales. For example, you could have a basic membership for $10 per month where members get access to exclusive articles and behind-the-scene contents, or a pro membership for $50 per month where they get access to your full library of courses plus live Q&A sessions. You can also have a VIP membership for $100 per month where they get all of that plus one-on-one coaching or special bonuses. You don't need multiple platforms to handle all these different levels. With Groove Member, you can set everything up in one place and members only see the content that's available at their level. And if you want to get even more advanced, you can combine membership levels with upsells and bundles. So let's say someone signs up for a basic membership. You can offer them an exclusive upgrade to a higher tier right inside the platform. This makes it incredibly easy to increase your revenue without needing extra sales pages or complicated setups. One of the biggest challenges when setting up an online membership or course business is figuring out how to get paid. A lot of platforms require you to integrate third-party payment processors, which can be a headache, especially if you're just starting out. With Groove Member, everything is built in. You don't need any third-party integrations because Groove already supports PayPal, Stripe, credit cards, and even affiliate payments, all from inside the Groove ecosystem. This is a huge advantage for newbies because it removes all the technical struggles of setting up payments. Instead of dealing with multiple software tools and confusing settings, you can literally just connect your account and start selling. There's no extra coding, no need to hire a developer, and no wasted time trying to figure out complicated integrations. Another amazing feature is the built-in affiliate payment system. This, let's say you want to grow your business through affiliate marketing, where other people promote your membership for you in exchange for commission. Normally, you'd need a separate affiliate management tool to track sales and handle payouts. But with Groove, that's already included. You can set up custom commissions, track affiliate referrals, and pay your affiliates without needing any extra software. For a beginner, this means less hassle and more time focusing on growing your business instead of dealing with the technical side of things. You don't have to worry about setting up payment gateways, testing transactions, or troubleshooting errors. Everything just works right out of the box, making it incredibly easy to start collecting payments as soon as you launch your membership site. And here's something even better. Unlike platforms like Teachable or Kajabi, Groove doesn't take a cut of your sales. A lot of other platforms charge extra transaction fees, meaning they take a percentage of every sale you make. With Groove Member, you keep 100% of your earnings, which is a game changer, especially when you're starting out and every dollar counts. One of the most important things when running a membership site or online course is keeping your audience engaged. You don't want people signing up forgetting about your content and then canceling their membership. This is where email automation comes in. And Groove Member makes it incredibly easy for newbies to stay connected with their members without doing extra work. Normally, if you wanted to set up email automation, you'd need to use an external email marketing tool like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign. That means paying for another subscription, learning a whole new platform, and dealing with complicated integrations just to send a simple welcome email. But with Groove Member, you don't need any third-party tools because Groove Mail is already built in. Everything is part of the Groove ecosystem, so you can set up email sequences right inside the platform without having to connect multiple apps. This is a huge advantage for beginners because, let's be honest, setting up email automation can be confusing when you're just getting started. You might not even know what kind of emails to send, when to send them, or how to set up follow-ups. Group Member takes away the stress by giving you pre-built automation tools that help you stay in touch with your audience without spending hours manually sending emails. For example, the moment someone signs up for your group membership, GrooveMail can automatically send them a welcome email with login details, course instructions, or even a personal message from you. This makes new members feel valued and excited to start, which increases engagement right away. Then, as you go through your content, you can set up reminder emails to keep them on track. GrooveMail can send them a friendly nudge saying, "Hey, don't forget to check out Lesson 3. It's packed with great insights." This kind of automation helps prevent drop-offs and cancellations, which is super important if you're running a subscription-based membership. And here's where things get really powerful. Upsells and promotions. Let's say a member enrolls in your free course and after 7 days, you want to encourage them to upgrade to a paid membership. Instead of manually reaching out, GrooveMail lets you automate this process with a follow-up email. You can set it up so that 7 days after enrollment, they receive an email something like, hey Chester, you've been exploring Groove Member Masterclass for a week now. How's it going? If you're ready to take things to the next level, our premium membership gives you exclusive access to advanced lessons, live Q&As, and insider resources. Upgrade today and unlock everything instantly. This kind of timed follow-up keeps your course top of mind, reminds them of the value, and makes it easy for them to take action without feeling pressured. And since it's fully automated, you don't have to do anything manually. Just set it once and let GrooveMail handle the rest. This kind of automation saves so much time and effort instead of constantly chasing after members or worrying about who to follow up with. GrooveMember does all the heavy lifting for you. You just set up your email once, then keep working in the background to increase engagement, reduce cancellations, and boost sales. And since GrooveMail is included for free, you're not paying extra for an external email service. Other platforms charge hundreds of dollars per month for advanced email automation. But with GrooveMember, you get everything in one place without the extra cost or tech hassle. If you are just starting out, the last thing you need is expensive monthly fees eating into your profits before you even make a sale. Most platforms charge anywhere from $50 to $200 a month, and that adds up fast. With GrooveMember, you can launch your business for free and only upgrade when you're ready to scale. Right now, there's a limited offer giving you a full year of premium access at no cost if you sign up using the link in the description. This deal won't be around forever, so if you're watching this later, it might already be gone. If you're serious about building a membership site without the heavy costs, GrooveMember is a great choice. Click the link below to get started for free, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on growing your online business. See you on the next video.